Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a YouTube channel together. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your YouTube channel so you can share whatever it is that you want with the world. Now before creating a YouTube channel, you must have a Google account. And I'm also going to show you how to do that. Let's get right into it. So before you can create a YouTube channel, you have to have a Google account. Now, note that a Gmail address and a Google account are two separate things, right? Gmail is just an email, free email service from Google that you can use. A Google account has a username and password that you can use to access other Google services as well. Okay, so this is how you create a Google account. First, you go to google.com, type that in your search bar, click on sign in. And this is if you do not have an account, okay? If you don't have a Google account, you're going to then click on create account. Now you have to choose whether or not you want it for your personal use, for a child, or for work or business. You can do, today we're going to do for personal use. However, some people do, even if it's for personal use, they will click for work or business. Okay, but today we're going to do for personal use. So you click on for personal use, you type in your name, it's here already, and you click next. You put in your date of birth, select your gender, and you click next. And how you'll sign in, you have to create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. And then you have to create a username. Now that could be the hard part, the challenging part, because so many are taken. But let's say, click next. That's taken. They have a recommendation here, so I'm just going to click on the recommendation. You click next, and then you have to create a password. Next. Okay, and then you can put in, you have to confirm that you're not a robot, so you have to put in your phone number. Okay. Google will verify your phone number by sending you a text message and with a code that you have to put in. They're asking you for a recovery email. So you put that in. You put in your recovery email. Click on next. Click on next. Read all the privacy and terms, and you click on I agree. Confirm personalization settings are turned on to give you a more personalized experience. And you click on confirm. And that's it. You now have a Gmail account. Now, with this Gmail account, you can now create a YouTube account. And this is how you do that. Okay, so you type in youtube.com. In your Google search bar or whatever search engine you're using, and you click on your profile icon over here or picture, and then you click on create a channel. You're going to type in your name. It asks you to select a picture, which you can just click on select a picture and choose a picture to represent your channel. You type in your name. You type in your handle. The handle is what you want your YouTube channel to be called, and then you click Create Channel. It takes a few moments. It says your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. Guys, that's how easy it is to create a YouTube channel. Of course, you then have to do your settings, and I cover a lot of the settings in other videos. So here you have it, guys. You just created your YouTube channel. So this is awesome. Yay. Okay. And this is what you'll see because you don't have anything on here yet. You can customize your channel. And like I said, I have videos showing you how to do that. You can click on your channel icon right over here and you can view your channel, which this is what you're going to see. Click all of your settings live under your channel icon. Okay, so keep that in mind. You can visit YouTube Studio at this point. It says, Welcome to YouTube Studio. You click on Continue. And that's it, you guys. That's it. Now you can upload your content. But that's how easy it is to create a YouTube channel. So, whatever it is that you want to share with the world, whatever it is that you want people to know and you want to support people with, this is how you do it, guys, on YouTube. So, go ahead, you guys, and create your YouTube channel. 1, 2, 3. It's that easy. You can do it. That's it. That's it, you guys. That's literally how easy it is to not only create a Google account, but also a YouTube channel. Okay, so please go ahead, create your YouTube channel. Check out one of my other videos about how to optimize your channel by adjusting certain settings. Okay, I'll leave it here for you or in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.